Okay, I'm outside of 99 Capanna. See outside. This is the street. These are the neighbors. Right, I'm in front of 99 Capanna. There was someone showing the house right before me. So here's the front area. Nice little patio area. There's the front door. You're gonna go inside. Okay, I'm entering the front door. There's a little closet right here. Little coat closet when you walk in. There's nice tall ceilings, nice eating area. Oh, this was very 1990s, but still cute. Let's see what's in here. Here's the garage. Beautiful living space, nice and open. Nice fireplace. It's got the windshield out there for the ocean breezes. Oh, it's a cute little sitting area here. Lots of natural light. Beautiful kitchen. Nice skylights. Stone counters. Oh, a Viking stove. Very nice. Built-in refrigerator. This is very nice. Oh, look at that backsplash, how pretty. Skylight in the bathroom. This is a really nice spacious bedroom. Closet here. Tall ceilings. It's got built-ins over here. Very nice. So that was the bathroom we passed by. Here's the laundry room. It's got a sink. Nice cabinetry. Here's a guest bedroom. Very private with a tall fence out there. And, oh wow, beautiful master. Tall ceilings, looks right at that ocean view. I can see whitewater views out there. Here's the master bath. It's got a little door, half door. Beautiful stone counters, nice backsplash. Pretty lighting. There's a door here that goes to the outside. Let's see where it goes. Oh, cute little patio out here. Or little space out here. Oh, night blue, well, pretty flowers. There we go. So this would bring you to your ocean view patio. Oh my goodness, look at the curve of the ocean over there. It's beautiful. Nice sitting area. That brings you to the living area right there. It's beautiful. Here's a side area over here. Lights.